I am Karan, their physics teacher, and this is the physics model on mutual induction. This was a task assigned to us from our directorate, and our students contributed in this regard here.
I am Hamza Hassan from FG Public School Boys Kharian Cantt of class 10th.
Abdul Ahmed from class 10th.
The supervision of Sir Waqar, we have prepared a physics project on mutual induction. First of all, a question arises in our minds: what is mutual induction? The phenomena of production of induced current in a coil due to change of current in the secondary coil or neighboring coil is called mutual induction. At first, suppose a system that consists of a primary coil, secondary coil, resistor, transistor, and an LED bulb attached to the secondary coil. At first, we can observe that there is no current flowing in the coil as switch is off. Moreover, by moving secondary coil near to the primary coil, the LED bulb is not lit up. It means there is no current flowing in the both coils. Now, by turning on the switch, the current is flowing in the primary coil. As Ampere first time highlighted this point that when current flows through a conductor, it creates magnetic effect in its surrounding. Now, by moving secondary coil near to the primary coil, the magnetic lines of forces are passing through the secondary coil. The number of magnetic lines of forces are changing, magnetic flux changing, then EMF is induced in the secondary coil. And current is also induced in the secondary coil. This current enables the LED bulb to lit up. This phenomena is called mutual induction.